Okay, I have no idea if the multi-switch is in the on position or the off, so I've just attached my electrical connection here, which is something you really have to unscrew in order to get that motor out of this tight space down here. So I've rested it up against the AC line and the wobbly brake or fluid filler. Alright, put that like that, so if it does spin, it'll be okay. And the moment of truth. Moment of truth, everybody. Let's see. Turn this into AC mode. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, we're there. Okay. And low. Nothing. Looks like we got nothing. And there is that click, clunk noise coming right out of this thing. That's a sad noise.